Do you ever feel like you just endlessly scroll through Pinterest or Instagram and you just never get any art actually done? Yo, what up, guys? Today I'm gonna be like super smart and tell you what the fuck you should do with your life, okay? So you better listen. You got your pen, you got your pencil? Okay, good. Okay, so first thing you do is you install this add-on that blocks you from scrolling Reddit, and then you block Twitter so you can stop fucking gooning, and then you end up scrolling Instagram because it's the only social media app you didn't block, and then you get angry at yourself for scrolling, and then you cry in a corner, and then you give up art, and then you throw it in the trash, and then you never talk about it again, and then you get a job. I just have one tip in particular I want to share, and that is balance the act of creating and consuming. Whatever you consume will affect what you create, naturally. And if you only consume junk, you will feel like junk. And if you do create, fucking great. Yeah. I've been scrolling Pinterest for hours sometimes, and it's awesome. But then I feel exhausted, and then end up not creating at all. And I think that is awesome if you want to be a professional Pinterester. But it kind of sucks if you want to create art. So it can be helpful to some people, I think, to limit their consumption. And personally, I have started to put like a timer on how long I'm gonna reference gather and scroll social media. Because honestly, the algorithm is just getting way too good. Maybe you notice this too, like the algorithm has just gotten so good at knowing exactly what you want to watch. I mean, sometimes it just feeds you bullshit, things like politics and junk, but it's really good at making you constantly want to scroll more. There's a lot of psychology behind it, and I think for your own good, at least that's what I'm doing, is to take a little bit of a limit to it. I know, discipline kind of sucks, right? But it can really help you to create, and you won't end up really bitter for not creating. Anyway, I had fun making this recording. I had actually fun. I don't know if it was because of the swear words or because I was doing something different. I'll hopefully leave in as much as possible, and I'm sorry if this video seems all over the place. I'm trying some new things out, and I'm having some fun and not being so uptight. I've been experimenting a little bit, and getting work done early in the day feels so much better. Like, I've done my stuff and I'm gonna just relax the rest of the day. And then naturally I can feel not so bad about consuming. But if I start my day by scrolling Reddit, I sit on the bus, I'm scrolling Instagram, I come home and I'm looking at Twitch and then Twitter. It's just a lot. So if I have like one really good tip and takeaway I want to give you for this video, it's be mindful, not too restrictive, but be mindful of what you consume and how long you consume. Consuming is part of creating, and we all need it to create. In my opinion, it's part of how art gets created. But yeah, consume less, create more. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you so much for the comments on the last video and all the support. It made me realize a few things about what I want to do with my content, and I'm still figuring things out, but I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you, and leave a like and comment if you want to see more. Thank you so much for following me on this journey, and I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one.